Hello student, we have already discussed exercise 3A, 3B, 3C of square and square roots. Now next exercise 3D. Now we discuss new topic square roots. What is square roots? The square roots of a number x is that number which when multiplied by itself gives x as a product. We denoted the square root of a number of x by root x. Clearly, root 4 equal to 2, root 9 equal to 3, root 16 equal to 4, root 25 equal to 5, root 36 equal to 6, root 49 equal to 7, root 64 equal to 8, root 81 equal to 9. Root 100 equal to 10, root 121 equal to 11, root 144 equal to 12, root 169 equal to 13, root 196 equal to 14, root 225 equal to 15, root 256 equal to 16, root 279 is equal to 17. And so on. Now, find the square root of 324. Now, resolving the prime factor of 324. This is your prime factor. Now, we discuss 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Now, by prime factorization we get 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now, to form a pair and 3 also form a pair, 3 also form a pair. Hence, root of 324 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18. Again repeat, root of 324 is equal to, we write only one factor of the pair. So we write 2, next 3, next 3, and their multiplication is 18. That is 18. Now we discuss second example. Find the square root of 1764. Now, its ones digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, 1 4 14, 3 4 ja 12, 14 minus 12, 2 2 1 21, 3 7 ja 21. Now divide by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 14 minus 12, 2 2 7 27, 3 9 ja 27, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. Now we write the prime factor of 1764, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 7 into 7, 7 into 7. We see that all prime factor form a pair. So, 2 form a pair, 3 also form a pair, 7 also form a pair. Now, root of 1764 is equal to, now we write only one factor from the pair. 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. 7 3 ja 21, 2 ja 42. Root of 1764 equal to 42. Now we discuss example third. 4356 divided by 2 we get 2178. Now again this repeat. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16. 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 0, 2 8 ja 16. 17 minus 16 1, 1 8 18, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 11 11 ja 121, 11 1 ja 11. 4356 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Clearly 2 form a pair, 3 also form a pair, 11 also form a pair. Now root of 4356 is equal to, now write only one factor of every pair. So we take only 2 multiply 3 multiply 11, only one factor. And their multiplication is 66. 2 3 ja 6, 6 11 ja 66. This is your required answer. Now we discuss next example 4. 11,025. Its last digit 5, so we divide this number by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 0, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 7 ja 21. 3 4 ja 12, 3 9 ja 27, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. Now prime factor of 11,025 we get 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 7 into 7, 7 into 7. Root of 11,025 is equal to, now we write only one factor from the pair. So we write 5 multiply 3 multiply 7, only one factor from the pair. 5 3 ja 15, 15 7 ja 105, 105. This is your required answer. Hence root of 11,025 is equal to 105. Now we discuss exercise 3D. First question. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by using the method of prime factorization. Number first part 225. Square root of 225. Square root of 225. First we resolve the prime factor. Now 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divided by 3. So 225 is divided by 3. 3 7 ja 21, 1 5 15. 3 5 ja 15. 7 plus 5 12. 12 is divided by 3. So we divide 75 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5. Resolving the prime factor of 225, that is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Again repeat. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into. Now clearly 3 form a pair. 5 also form a pair. Hence root of 225 is equal to, now we write only one factor from the pair. So we write 3 multiply 5. Only one factor. We write only one factor from the pair. We get 3 multiply 5. 3 5 ja 15. Hence root of 225 equal to 15. This is your required answer. Now we discuss second part 441. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. 9 is divided by 3. So this number is also divided by 3. 441 divided by 3 we get 3 1 ja 3, 1 4 14, 3 4 ja 12, 14 minus 12 2, 2 1 21, 3 7 ja 21. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 is divided by 3. So 147 is divided by 3. We get 3 4 ja 12. 3 9 ja 27. 7 7 ja 49. 7 1 ja 7. Hence root of 441. Now first we resolve the prime factor. We write 441 is equal to 3 into 7 into 7. Now root of 441 is equal to, now first we form a pair. 3 forms a pair. It is clear that 7 also form a pair. Now we write one prime factor of this pair. So we take only 3. Multiply. Now we write only one factor from this pair. So we write only 7. Again repeat, we write only one factor from the pair. We get 3 into 7, that is 21. Hence root of 441 is equal to 21. This is your required answer. Now do question number 1 to 12 in your fair notebook with example and revise exercise 3A, 3B, 3C in your revision notebook. Thank you.